It's always a good day when I'm holding up an Anker product. And Anker has just sent us this Soundcore 2 stereo Bluetooth speaker, but it's much more than just a Bluetooth speaker, and I'll show you. This is what this little thing looks like. I love the rubber matte black. It does come in different colors, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. You've got those easy buttons to use. And if you notice how the buttons are and how everything is kind of seamlessly, hermetically sealed, it's because it is. This is entirely waterproof, IPX67, which means you can just drop it in a bathtub or in a pool, preferably. And this little seal is where you're going to have your line out for headphones and your recharging, because this is completely wireless, of course. And then if you seal it back, it just works perfectly. You can control it with your phone, of course, but you can also, if your phone is somewhere else, you can just play pause just by pressing this here. So I'm going to start connecting it here. So I'm connected here. I'm going to go all the way down. 12 watts of power in this little thing. It's awesome. And I can just power it off and it will let me know that it's powering down. And just like that, it's ready for the next time. Love Anker. Beautiful sound, really crisp sound, an incredible and impressive bass for such a small device.